Welcome to Review and Adventure Hub, where we bring you honest and detailed reviews of the latest and most innovative products. Today, we're diving deep into the unboxing and review of the Korkmaz 3-in-1 stainless steel smart timer pressure cooker, also known as the Alfa Tencere Seti A1607. This 7-liter INOX pressure cooker is a game-changer in the kitchen, offering unparalleled versatility and efficiency. Whether you're cooking for a family dinner or preparing a quick meal, this 3-in-1 appliance will save you time, energy, and effort while ensuring delicious and healthy meals. The pressure cooker reduces cooking time by up to 75% compared to traditional methods. Saves energy while delivering perfectly cooked dishes every time. The airtight design locks in steam, retaining nutrients and flavors in your meals. Equipped with advanced safety features including spring safety valve, alarm valve, pressure limit valve, float-controlled valve, vent hole, and anti-blockage shield. Designed to prevent excessive pressure buildup, making it blast-proof and reliable. Functions as a pressure cooker, casserole, and steamer, catering to a variety of cooking needs. Ideal for steaming vegetables, braising meat, boiling soups, and more. Heavy-duty construction ensures even heat distribution and eliminates hot spots for consistent results. Made from 18/10 food-grade stainless steel, offering durability, resistance to rust, and a sleek appearance. The smooth stainless steel surface is dishwasher safe and easy to clean by hand. The unique locking mechanism ensures hassle-free operation and safety. The Korkmaz 3-in-1 stainless steel smart timer pressure cooker is a must-have for anyone who values efficiency, safety, and style in their kitchen. With its 7 liters capacity, versatile functionality, and advanced safety features, this appliance offers excellent value for money. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this pressure cooker will elevate your culinary experience. Don't miss out on this amazing product. Watch the full video to see it in action. Thank you for watching Review and Adventure Hub. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates on our latest reviews. See you in the next video.